and inyanga kube inyanga endaweni yabo yobunyanga. Yonke lento sifuna ukuthi sibalekelele laba bathi badinga ukulekelela, but sibalekelele with conscious and understanding ukuthi konke abakunayo bakuzamile, but thina basithembile, but we must make sure that ukuthi into esibanika yona iyona. This year 2026 ake ngichaze, ngizoyichaza nje kanje. This year 2026 unobuthi, it has poison. Ozothi wena uma lo poison uke wawuthinta, it will harm you, but wona 2026 won't be harmed. Let me correct the spelling. Do you know that the snake has a poison? The poison of the snake, it's so venomous. It can kill 100 cows immediately. It can kill 20 bulls immediately. But that poison does not kill a snake. We've got to be careful about these people that you're bringing closer to you. They're so greedy, but their greediness does not harm them. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Those people that you bring closer to you, they are so jealous, but their jealous does not affect them because they are the storers of jealous, same as the snake. The snake, in order to harm you with that poison, it has to come very, very close to you. A snake will never kill you unless it has bitten you. In order for you to repel kubantu abanjalo, rather don't collide with them. Don't go closer to them. Uma bekubiza kule mcimbi engenamsebenzi ungayi. Uma bekufonela ngendaba ezingenamsebenzi ungathatha ucingo. If bekusendela izithombo ongazidingi efonini yakho, zidelete ungakazifundi. Ama video nama sound clips awu wadelete ungakabalaleli, because ukulalela kufana nokuya khona. Awu understand? Ukulalela ufana nokuya khona. Ukubuka isithombe akunika sona kufana ukuthi usuyile khona. Usuthi amasimba la kuyakhona ke abangijwayele, kanti bekufuza ukuthi ungayibuki le yanto le. This year ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume into ezine sense, izinto ezizosakha, ngoba ngempela sihlale kakhulu kuma social media companies abenganasiza download ama apps engewona ebesingakwadinga emafonini ethu. Namhlanje nama app ocansi ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo awuwadingi. Namhlanje nama app okugembula efonini yakho ngokuhlukahlukana awuwadingi. Once you deleted those apps, kukhona into ezokwenzeka. Go to your Facebook and ubheke labantu abagcwele lapha ku Facebook ukuthi do you need them actually? You just don't need them. Go to your emails. Delete onke lama emails aqale phansi 2025. Una ama email close to 3000 wena. Awukazi wafunda 1 amaningi angama spams. Delete yonke lethu uqale phansi so that ingqondo yakho